Why not make a peanut butter at home when it just takes like 5 minutes? Yes, you heard it right, it just takes 5 minutes. Welcome to BodyProCoach. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a quick 5-minute chocolate peanut butter recipe. Let's go and see the ingredients. One cup roasted peanuts, Hershey's cocoa unsweetened, stevia powder. So in a blender or a food processor, we're gonna add peanuts. So the peanut butter usually goes through 3 stages. Stage 1, where you see the peanuts when they're getting blended and they become finely. Next 2 stage, you have to be really patient. So I'm not adding any water nor I'm adding any oil. I'm just going to collect it once again and I'm going to put it in the blender and give it a whip again. So I'm going to blend it until a smooth and creamy paste is formed. So guys, I've also taken a normal blender because there are lots of people who would not have a NutriBullet or a power blender. So that's a normal blender wherein you would have a chutney jar. So I have put some roasted peanuts in this, again the same thing. So I'm going to go on level 1. And for about 3 minutes when we do that, we'll see the byproduct and it looks like this. Now to this creamy mixture, I'm going to add stevia as per my taste. So I'm just adding about half a teaspoon stevia. Also, if you're thinking from the perspective of kids or anybody who likes chocolate, I'm going to add Hershey's cocoa. That's about half a teaspoon. And for one last time. And it's done. So we have our chocolate peanut butter which is ready. See, I told you, less than 5 minutes and it's ready. Reasons why you need to have this: 1, it's homemade. 2nd, it's organic. You know what is in it. It does not contain preservatives. 3rd, it's loaded with proteins. 4th, it gives you satiety. So you have 4 good reasons to have this. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family, let everybody know about the channel because you can get all the information with regards to nutrition, food, information, training videos and Mahek's Core Pilates all on the same channel. That's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. See you soon next time.